assessment tells us that when we start with this amide, both of these different pathways will form the same product. And what is that product? The top pathway starts with the dehydration of the amide to a nitrile. The nitrile is then reacted with an alkyl lithium, which will add to the nitrile to form a carbon-nitrogen double bond with a negative charge. Acidic hydrolysis will then turn it into an imine, which is hydrolyzed to a ketone. In the bottom pathway, we first hydrolyze the amide to a carboxylic acid. Second step turns the acid into an acid chloride, and an acid chloride reacts with a cuprate to form a ketone as well. And since both of the alkyl groups in the alkyl lithium and the cuprate are the same, we end up with the same ketone product in both cases. We start with our cyclopentyl group, our carbon chain, and then our ketone with the propyl group attached. This ketone is the product of both of these synthetic pathways.